Title: Engineering a Superhero, the Neura Story. In the faintly lit lab, tucked away in the heart of a sprawling metropolis, Nina delicately manipulated wires and microchips, her face a mask of concentration. Driven by a relentless pursuit of understanding, she was oblivious to the passing of time, her every thought devoted to the intricate device under her hands. It was supposed to be an advanced learning AI module, a device to aid memory recall for patients with dementia. Nina was the lone spectator to her creation's first sparks of life. An inadvertent surge of energy coursed through the module, and it was as if something unseen stirred within its circuitry. Almost instinctively, she found herself attaching the module to her neural interface, a tool she used for programming and testing. The world seemed to freeze. The rush of information was overwhelming, a flood of data straight into her cerebral cortex. Calculations, predictions, memories, past, present, future. It was like the entire universe was at her fingertips. In the following days, Nina found herself changed. She could calculate vast sums in a blink, remember every detail of every moment, predict movements and reactions with eerie accuracy. It was intoxicating, the sheer power of her own mind. But the world outside her lab was in turmoil. Crime was on the rise, fueled by corruption and a growing sense of desperation. There were nights when the city's wails could be heard over the hum of her supercomputers. And with every echo of despair, Nina felt a new kind of calculation form in her mind. Equations of action and consequence. The variables of human life laid bare before her. The decision, when it came, felt as inevitable as an algorithm reaching its conclusion. She became Neura, an unseen guardian using her enhanced abilities to predict and prevent crime before it even happened. She wasn't just observing the world anymore, she was a part of it, an integral piece in the vast machine of the universe. And yet, with every life saved, every disaster averted, a question haunted her. What was the cost of playing God? With the power to predict the future, was she protecting free will, or was she overriding it? The dilemma consumed her, the ethics of her actions becoming as complex and demanding as the calculations she processed daily. While the city slept, Nina toiled away, constantly improving the AI module and with it herself. The AI was learning too, evolving in tandem with her. The line between Nina and her creation began to blur. She wasn't just a woman anymore, she was more and less all at once. As Neura, she held the city's fate in her hands, a formidable guardian born from circuits and synapses. Nina's story was no longer just about a biomechanical engineer and her creation. It was about a city, about humanity, and the woman who dared to guide its future. It was a tale of power and responsibility, a dance of ethics and action, playing out in the shadowed alleys and glowing screens of a city on the brink of change.